Parents,
please.
do you know what games your kids are playing? Check. B-roll.
B-roll. Behind the scenes.
The process to get ready is just Kari. I am Special Agent Tanya, and I am sent by the United States government to save... This just sounds funny. To save the world from the Russians. Shake it, baby!
You are like art. You are like art.
Architecture. So I can give a woo! If I wanted to?
Yeah, if you want to.
Is it too whoopy?
All right, let's see one. Push it closer on first. Okay, push it in. Don't give me too much hips because then you do look like a cheerleader. And you don't want to be
Okay. They just have a mind of their own. I get to kick butt.
Okay.
That looks good, right? Dead cat.
Yep.
That's so there.
Action!
Woo! Shake it, baby!
Right.
I love action and saving the world.
They're both up and you turn, you come around and you drop one. That's the work.
Bring your left hand out of ways.
I hate reality.
This is James Bond James Bond girl thing going on
Got
here.
it.
You are action hero, James Bond.
Jade Bond.
Okay, here we go. Let's roll tape, please. Speeding. Thank you. Maya, please. Action.
Looks like our crack spy team's been compromised. I could use a couple more. And let's not use the Italian spies this time, okay? There's nothing worse for a soldier than lose your mind. Where's the team mascot?
Back.
I am a cheerleader.
Where's back to one? At the 4-2 o'clock.
Celebrity cheerleader. I hope the commander is up to speed because we don't have time to waste. The sheriff don't like
Settle down, guys, please.
I'm very serious. So funny. And very into what I do. So I sensed in that take, which is really cool that you wear your pants. And you were looking at my breasts.
What can I say? I have no choice.
Where's Romanov?
Guys, gotta wait for the camera to get back to you. Where's Romanov? We're gonna take it right out of the top.
I still get excited about the little things.
And let's cut there.
This whole computer format, it's exciting. And it's just going to get better and better. And I like to be a part of it on this level because I want to see it grow from the inside, you know? I hope to do a lot more. With Westwood Studios.